We're Jeff and Amy, and our family is converting a 1994 Bluebird school bus into an RV. In our last video, we got the bus all dried in. Now join us as we install subfloor and insulation. I'm really glad I didn't nail that.
Oh, what is it?
It's a nail.
Getting the petties, silicone, excuse me, down to the floor to cover the holes where the bolts of the seat were, where they went through the floor. And Evan is graciously doing that for us. Thank you, Evan.
Subfloor today, kind of finishing out. We've got a couple sheets already down and we're just going to continue on forward. What we decided to do after patching all the holes in the bottom of the bus was to not put more holes in the bus with attachments. So we're doing kind of a semi-floating floor of our subfloor. We're gluing the 2x2s down to the floor and then gluing the OSB subfloor to the 2x2s and then screwing those down, filling in all the gaps with spray foam. So the floor will be completely attached to itself, but only glued to the metal floor of the bus.
And then we're also holding down the floors with the batteries.
Yeah.
They're very heavy.
So it's a good use of our heavy batteries. the top of our fuel tank that has all of our fuel lines connected to it, as well as our fuel level sending unit is accessed through this port here. So if we ever have an issue with our fuel gauge not working right or a hose going bad, we would need to be able to access this top of the tank. Otherwise, if we didn't leave this hatch, we would have to actually drop the tank to do any work on it. Ooh,
What happened? Nail?
I'm really glad I didn't kneel on that.
Oh, what is it?
It's a nail.
Ooh.
62 3/4. Yeah, like
Like a wicked nail?
yeah.
Okay, I'll hit it with a hammer. Okay, so now can you come in and be on the battery side? Yes, I can. Okay.
So I'm gonna tip this towards you.
Okay.
And I'm gonna pick the bottom and walk backwards.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, well, after that. Just hang in here. Okay.
vents cut in and welded in, and we've got our H bracket built for the co-pilot seat, and now we're going to attach this into the bus. Starting to work on the final piece of subfloor, which of course is the most difficult. I started measuring out all of the measurements, but as I started measuring out, it quickly became obvious that it wasn't going to work out well. It was never going to look good, because like even here, we've got two different angles at the dash and everything that's involved. So what we decided to do was just build a template out of our remainder of our door skin. So we've got a nice template built up. I'll pull this out and we'll take it out and transfer it to the final piece of OSB.
You can't really see it on the plywood.
All right, well I can see the lines here at least.
Okay. Okay, let's cut it out.
So it's the very far hole.
This one?
I'll swallow it.
Okay. towards the front of the bus, we have almost our whole subfloor down, which is super cool. We've been very busy getting the insulation down. You can see it out there, as well as the subfloor. So that feels really good.
Hi everyone, I'm doing B-rolls. This is Jeremiah. He's dead. He's been dead for a while. And here's Gerald. He's also been dead for a while. We found him on the bus. He's my favorite. Look at him. He's a cutie. This is my pet bee. It's pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie, you know. I dropped it.